Have you ever wondered why some video blow up overnight? Why some video barely gets seen here on YouTube? It is not just luck, it is YouTube recommendation system. That is why I usually advise people to always work on the recommendation rather than search. Yes, working on your or optimizing on your searchable video is okay. It's okay. Nobody says it's bad. But make sure you put more effort on recommendation, because when YouTube start recommending your video, YouTube will keep on pushing your video, pushing your video, pushing your video out there for people to see and for you to get a good or a large amount of view on your YouTube video. So in this video, I will show you how YouTube recommendation actually work and what trigger them and how you can use it to get your video seen by wider audience organically. So if this is the video that you love to watch, please do not forget to watch, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, leave us a comment, and lastly, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever we post on this channel, you will be notified. So before we continue, or before we want YouTube to start suggesting or recommending our video for people to watch, for our video to get more viewer or wider audience, we need to know what YouTube recommendation is all about. First of all, what is YouTube recommendation? YouTube recommendation are those video or suggested video shown on our YouTube homepage while we are watching content. If you are watching video or you are watching the content, you will see some video popping out for you, suggested by YouTube for you to watch, because YouTube recommendation is powered by a complex algorithm based on user behavior, video performance, and viewer satisfaction. So we all know the goal of YouTube is to keep people watching content on YouTube channel. So they will keep on suggesting a related content or video that have high click rate or high performance or high engagement rates. They will keep on pushing those videos to you. So if your video is among of those videos they are pushing to you, that is what we call a YouTube recommendation. The video is being recommended by YouTube. So if your video starts showing on people's YouTube homepage, it means that your video is being recommended by YouTube. That means YouTube is pushing your video out for people to see. For example, if someone is watching an entertainment a video or a comedy video, so what YouTube will do is that after watching that one, they will keep on suggesting more engaging video of comedy to you on your YouTube homepage for you to watch more of it, because they want to keep you watching video on YouTube. So that is what we call YouTube recommendation. So how do you get YouTube to recommend your video? So the number one thing you need to do is to work on your video title. Yes, your video title is very, very important. Make sure that your title is what enticing and it's specific to what your content is all about. So make sure that your title is okay. Learn how to title your video in a nice way. And the number two thing you need to do is to work your thumbnail. Yes, your thumbnail, very, very important. That is what people first see before they click on your video. So your thumbnail is to make sure that your thumbnail is clickable thumbnail with a nice color, that eye-catching thumbnail that will make people to click. I believe you know what thumbnail is all about. The first thing people see before your video is called a thumbnail. So I will leave a picture on this side of the screen so that you're able to know what I'm talking about. So the third one is what? Your description and your tag. Make sure that you use a very nice description, a very relevant keyword for your video description. Then add a tag, a very nice tag that's related to your content, or make sure that your description or your keyword is not stuffing by filling irrelevant keyword on your description, or filling your description with a lot of word that does not even give or does not even get anything out from your video. So make sure you do just that. A very nice description and a very nice or relevant tag to your video. And the fourth one is what? Consistency in uploading. Yes, that is the in fact, almost the most important one, because you need to keep on posting, keep on creating content, keep on uploading. Without video, how would YouTube algorithm remember that there is somebody on this channel? It's your content is what is your capital. So your content is your capital on YouTube. Without your content, there's no YouTube. So it is those content that YouTube will market. So YouTube will only do 20%. It's your content that will do the rest. Create a very nice and relevant content, and make sure you are posting every week. If even though it's like 2 times in a week, I believe that people are busy. It's not everybody that have the chance of being a full-time YouTuber, but make sure that you are posting consistently here on YouTube. So the last suggestion that I will be giving is what? Encourage engagement. Yes, make sure you are encouraging engagement, interacting with your community. When someone comments on your post, reply and always ask questions. Comment on your video, pin that video with a questionable video that will lead to engagement. Yes, that alone will help your YouTube channel to grow, because it will bring engagement to your YouTube channel. You know what? YouTube like or love again engaging content. So the purpose of YouTube is for engagement. So make sure you want encourage engagement on your video. So lastly, you have to what? Be patient. Yes, everybody have his own time. There are some people, all those big YouTubers that you're seeing, there are some people that got monetized within 3 months, some 10 years, some 5 years, some 2 years. So it depends. So everybody's time is not the same. So make sure that you are consistent in your uploading, and experiment with everything that you have learned on YouTube. YouTube is all about experiment. Nobody knows it all. So you start experimenting it. On the way of you experimenting all this with your title, with your thumbnail, with your tag, with many things that you have been learning on YouTube, you don't know which one will push you out. So keep on experimenting and you'll be getting an experience. So it is the one that will work for you. That is the one that you know. So when you experiment with one and it works, you'll be able to come out and teach people, yes, I did this and it worked for me. So you have to be patient. Do not overrush yourself because you see someone got monetized within 3 months, you want to get monetized. It depends. Everybody grades are different. So make sure you are doing the right thing and you see how your channel will grow up. So getting recommended by YouTube, it is not about tricking the YouTube algorithm. It is about knowing what the viewer wants and give it to them. It is about creating value. It is about creating content that you'll be proud of. If you can be able to do all these things, YouTube will do the rest. So if this video helped, please do not forget to like this video, leave a comment, and turn on your notification bell. So whenever I post, you will be notified. See you in my next video.